Meaning of grief-stricken.
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 Grief-stricken. Grief-stricken describes a state of intense sadness and despair experienced by someone who has suffered a significant loss, such as the death of a loved one or the end of a relationship. It is a feeling that can be overwhelming, leading to emotional and physical pain, and feelings of hopelessness or emptiness. People who are grief-stricken may experience difficulty sleeping, eating, or engaging in everyday activities, and may feel isolated or alone. Over time, with support and self-care, those who are grief-stricken can begin to heal and move forward, but the process can be long and difficult.